All right, so I need to give credit where credit is due. I did not create this wonderful PowerPoint that you see here. I thank another Spanish teacher here in the Newport News Public School System. Gracias a Señora Gracie Aponte Hart. Ella es una colega bien inteligente. So these are the future tenses in Spanish. We're just going to go through this and you're going to give it a little practice. She's talking about GCSE. There's some kind of test that she's helping her students do. But basically, you need to be able to use the future tense. What are you going to be able to do? So there's future and conditional. We're going to focus on the future in this lesson today. That's I'm going to play. I will play. I will be playing. So that's all the things that you know how to do in English. Not going to worry about the conditional right now. So you've got the immediate future tense. You guys have done that before. I'm going to play. And you guys remember how to do this? Ir plus a plus infinitive. Voy vas va, vamos vais van. Voy vas va, vamos vais van. Voy vas va, vamos vais van. Then you have your a, then you have your infinitive. Jugar, comer, vivir, and those other things that you're studying right now. Voy a jugar, I'm going to play. Vamos a comer, we are going to eat. Van a vivir, they are going to live. So it's what they're going to do. Now, let's give these a try. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. Mirar, vender, subir. Pause at any time, practice repeating, practice handwriting. You are going to study in the library. Pause, come back. Vas a estudiar en la biblioteca. I am going to climb mountains. Pause it, give it a try. Voy a subir unas montañas. They are going to watch. Are you pausing? You trying to write it out? Van a mirar. We are going to search the web. Now we're talking spider web, we're talking internet. Pause, think about it. Vamos a navegar por internet. We are going to sell. Vamos a vender. You are going to watch. I mean, you all. Vais a mirar. Now that's that vosotros in there. We have not been focusing on the vosotros, but it exists. You could have said van for ustedes van. The future tense. I will play. I will be playing. Not I'm going to, but I will. Okay? So you take the infinitive, and you add the endings. Hablar, beber, recibir. And your endings are this simple. Has, a, hemos, es, an. Whether it's A-R-E-R-I-R. Has, a, hemos, es, an. Has, a, hemos, es, an. Take a look at those accent marks. Beberemos. We will drink. Of course, we're talking about coffee here, guys. Beberemos café o agua. You're all underage. It better be things like Kool-Aid and milk. Recibiré. Whoops. I will receive. Notice that accent on that E. We leave on the A-R-E-R-I-R this time. Whoops. Hablarán. They will speak. He will drink. Beberá. Notice it's got the a. It doesn't matter whether it's he, she, or usted. Hablaré. I will speak. Hablaréis. Whoops, that should be you all will speak. All right, so what makes it so easy to use? They all have the same endings. Seriously. Yay! What makes it a little tricky? There's about 12 irregulars. You got some notes down below. We're going to try to have a paper copy and practice it together. All right, so you got these irregulars. These are the irregulars. Caber, to fit. Decir, to say or to tell. Haber, to have. Notice that asterisk. Hacer, to do or to make. Poder, to be able. Poner, to put. I'm noticing the fit is not exactly here. Querer, to want. Saber, to know a fact. Salir, to go out or to leave. Tener, to have. Notice that asterisk. Valer, to be worth, and venir, to come. Now, tener means to own or to possess, like yo tengo pelo largo, yo tengo un bolígrafo. So tendré, I will have. Haber is like that helping thing, like hay libros en mi escritorio. There are books on my desk. Habrán libros. There will be. So I'm not sure what's going on here as we click through. When you download this as a regular PowerPoint, it's going to work a little better. I'm going to skip slide 7 and jump into slide 8 here. So as you can see, caber, decir, haber, take out the extra consonant in there and just kind of slide that stuff over. Some practice. So he will know. At this time, pause the video. Try and write out what you think he will know. We will say that SG means singular. You will have, they will be able, and UPL, PL means plural, will go out. So pause now and then come back and check your answers. You ready? Sabrá, diremos, tendrás, podrán, saldrés. Now, you might have done saldrán for ustedes. All right, we're going to pause on the conditional tense because we don't really need it. So hopefully that helped you out and you had a good practice there with the future tense. Muchas gracias. If you scroll down below, you're going to see we've got some notes we're going to practice in class. I'm going to try and get you a paper copy and we'll go over them. And then we've got some speaking practice that we're going to do in class. I love you. Make good choices. Come back to me next class.